This is Wrecker 1 in McDonough, Georgia. We were hired to restore this 22,000 square foot roof with a Conklin roofing system. We began by cleaning the entire roof with Conklin rust-off detergent and pressure washed it at 4,000 psi to completely remove all dirt, grime, and rust. At the client's request, we replaced the 30 metal skylights with metal panels from the side of the building, since we were replacing some of those panels anyway. This was a great way for the client to save a little money and recycle materials that were still usable. Conklin Encase primer was applied over the entire roof for superior adhesion and rust resistance. Then the first layer of Conklin benchmark base coat was applied over all joints, seams, and laps. Conklin Extremely Tough Spunflex 2 fabric was embedded in the wet base coat, eliminating all seams and creating a seamless roof. Then the second layer of Conklin benchmark base coat was applied over the fabric and back rolled for better adhesion. All screws, fasteners, and penetrations were treated and completely sealed with Conklin fastener grade industrial quick caulk. And finally, Conklin Puma XL bright white top coat was applied over the entire roof at a coverage rate of 1.9 gallons per 100 square feet. Conklin roofing systems have an 85% reflectivity rating and are known to reduce cooling costs by as much as 25 to 30%. They come with renewable warranties and, if properly maintained, can last many decades. If you have an old metal roof that needs restoration, please give us a call today at 478-286-0392.